Hello everyone! Welcome to today's lesson on letter writing, a skill that's both traditional and timeless. Now, before we dive into the details, I have a couple of questions for you. Have you ever written a letter to someone? Or perhaps received one yourself? Letters carry a personal touch that other forms of communication often miss. Think back to your experience and feel free to share your stories or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. So what are we hoping to achieve in this session? Our goals today are straightforward yet essential. 1. Identify the purpose of letter writing. Why do we write letters, and what functions do they serve in today's world? 2. Recognize the unique features of letters. What sets letters apart from emails or text messages? 3. Differentiate between formal and informal letters. Understanding this distinction is crucial, as it determines the style and tone of your letter. Ready to get started? Let's begin by looking at what exactly a letter is. What is a letter? A letter is a piece of written communication between people. But why do we write letters? There are many reasons. Let's consider a few common purposes. To share information or give updates on life events. To express gratitude or thank someone. To inquire or ask questions on specific topics. To maintain connections with family and friends. Letters serve as a bridge between people. Imagine the excitement of reading a letter from a loved one. It's like holding a piece of them. But with the convenience of technology, are letters still relevant? Absolutely. Letters often carry a sense of intimacy and thoughtfulness that digital messages lack. What makes letter writing unique? Now, let's talk about what makes letters special compared to other written forms. A few features stand out. 1. Physicality. Letters are often written on paper and sent by post, making them a tangible form of communication. 2. Personal touch. Each letter can be customized and reflects the writer's personality and emotions. 3. Structure and format. Letters follow a set structure, whether formal or informal, which organizes thoughts clearly. Letters are also an art form. Crafting the right message and connecting with the reader requires thoughtful composition, making letter writing a unique and valuable skill. Let's walk through the basic steps for writing a letter. We'll look at each part carefully. 1. Setting up the page. Start by including your address at the top left for formal letters, or just skip this for informal ones. The date goes below the address to mark when the letter was written. This setup is especially crucial in formal letters. 2. Salutation or greeting. The greeting sets the tone for the letter. In a formal letter, you might use phrases like "Dear Mr. Smith" or "To whom it may concern." In informal letters, you could simply write "Dear Alex" or even "Hi Alex." 3. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph introduces the reason for writing. For example, "It's been so long since I last saw you. I wanted to write and share a little update on what's happening." This paragraph lets the reader know what to expect in the letter. 4. Body paragraphs. This is where you dive into the main message. Divide the body into separate paragraphs to keep each idea clear. Here's an example. "We're busy organizing the end-of-year dance and we voted on the theme of movie stars. I'm so excited, though I can't decide who to dress up as. I'm also getting ready for secondary school, which has me feeling a mix of excitement and nerves. They have a swimming pool. Can you believe it?" Each paragraph flows into the next, maintaining a smooth narrative. 5. Closing paragraph. Conclude the letter with warm, friendly wishes or final thoughts, like, "I hope your new school is treating you well. Can't wait to hear about your adventures there. Maybe we'll see each other soon during the break." 6. Sign off. The way you close a letter depends on whether it's formal or informal. Here's a quick guide. Formal letters. Use "yours sincerely." yours faithfully, or kind regards. Informal letters. Use a more casual sign-off, like love from, best wishes, or see you soon. Follow this with a comma, and then your name on the next line. Using effective sentence starters can help make your letter more engaging. Here are a few useful examples. Starting the letter, I am writing to, or it has been so long since. Expressing excitement, I'm thrilled to hear that, or I'm so happy for. Concluding the letter, I can't wait to hear, or I hope to see you soon. These sentence starters not only help organize thoughts, but also make the letter flow naturally. Try experimenting with them to convey different emotions. Formal versus informal letters. Let's explore the difference between formal and informal letters. Formal letters. These are used for official purposes. The language is respectful and follows a specific structure. You might write a formal letter to your boss, a government official, or your principal. Informal letters. These are friendly and casual, meant for people you know personally, like friends or family members. Example scenarios. Writing to your friend about a birthday party is informal. Writing to your boss about a job inquiry is formal. Writing to an aunt about family updates is informal. Writing to a principal about an application is formal. Understanding these differences is essential. The purpose and audience of the letter determine its tone and language. Here's a quick practice exercise. Think about these scenarios and decide whether you'd use a formal or informal style. Inviting a friend to a get-together, informal. Applying for a job, formal. Writing a thank you letter to a family member, informal. If you'd like more practice, come up with your own examples and test whether they'd require a formal or informal tone. To sum it all up, 1. Letters are a powerful form of communication, each with its own unique style. 2. They come in two main types, formal and informal depending on the purpose and audience. 3. Effective letters have a clear structure: an address, date, greeting, body, closing, and sign-off. 4. Sentence starters add flow and connection to the letter, making it more engaging. So who might you write a letter to next? Maybe a friend or family member you haven't spoken to in a while? Take a moment to think about what you'd like to share with them. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson on letter writing. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe for more content on enhancing your writing skills. Stay connected and let's keep learning together. See you in the next lesson.